Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail fast with the quickness. So I was uploading this video and I noticed I was going to create a thumbnail, and since I've been making them kind of fast lately, I want to share with you how to do it. I use a software or a website called Canva. In here you can type in YouTube thumbnail, and they have different templates that you can use. So YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, blah, blah, they have different things. You can even create ebook covers in here. But right now I'm going to create a YouTube thumbnail. So in next, they have templates in here. I choose one only for the letters because I changed the image. And I choose one that has easy to read letters. So for this one, I'm going to use this one right here. And I just change the wording in here. I'm going to just call it the same as my video. So unboxing an Amazon package. And then you can change the size so that it fits in here. And you can even change the font and the colors and everything. So I like using red, so it looks kind of like the Amazon red, the YouTube red. And then I change the photo, and to use photos I go to depositphotos.com and I type in whatever I want my video is about. So it's about an unboxing an Amazon package. So that I typed that in the search box, and this is what came out. I look for one that looks nice, and let me see which one looks good. And I'm making a video about unboxing because I've heard that they're popular, so got to take action. I'm not unboxing the best thing ever, but I'm unboxing something. Um, so I guess I'm going to use this one with a cat. Or let me find another one. There aren't many. Let's just choose something. I think I'm going. Oh yeah, so I pay a membership to use this site, and then I get deals whenever they have them. So I pay like $1 per image, and so if you just buy one without a membership, they're like $3 or $5. But if you get a membership and you buy like 100 of them, they give you a discount, and you can. So I paid $1 for mine. So I'm going to use this photo, download it, and then I go back to Canva to upload an image. I'm going to wait till it uploads. It's ready. Okay, so it's uploading now, and I put it on the template so that it fits the template. Then you can move it to the back. So if something happened, I'm going to click Command Z. I don't know what happened, but I'm going to press Command C again. So you can click on position. I clicked on copy now, so it made a copy. But you can click on position and send it backwards. So this is what I'm going to do. Doing this with the quickness. How does this look? Yeah, I think this is gonna work. I'm going to change the color to the orange, like the Amazon orange kind of. It doesn't look good. So yeah, I think I'll use this one and send this. I think this will work. So there's the package, and then I like adding one of my images. So for this, use um, I use a website called what is that? I think this is it. Oh yeah, so this is the name of the site. Remove that BG, and then you can just select a photo. So I have some of photos already in here that I'm going to use. So for example, well, this isn't working, but what this does is that it takes the backgrounds out, so it only leaves the person without a background, so that you can add it to whatever you want to use it. So, and then they look kind of like this. So I'm gonna use this photo that I already have in here. Put it in here. So I guess this is good enough. Let me change the color, black, yellow. So this wasn't the best example. I made some other ones faster. And the problem is the template. So I didn't like this template. I'm going to redo it. So again, we go to templates. We choose one that looks easy to use. So I've used this one before. I'm going to use it again. And just change the text, change the size so that it fits in one line. I like having it in the on top. Change the image. Go to uploads. Choose your photo. Send it to the back. Add your own photo. So I have some in here. I'll use this one. Like this. Make it smaller. A little bit smaller, like that. So unboxing an Amazon package, and it looks like I'm kind of looking at the text. And then that's it. Then you download it and you upload it to YouTube. Here it is. Boom. Thumbnail selection will appear when the video has finished processing. So I'm going to add this to a playlist. I'm going to create a new one called unboxing packages. Or just unboxing. Create new. And then I'm going to schedule this video for next Wednesday at 10 a.m. If you've been following my videos, you know that I upload them at 10 a.m. Central Time. And I always choose video now, use entertainment. I use video language. I think this creates the closed captions. And that's it. When the video has finished processing, I think this is ready. Don't do everything. Yeah, I think that's it. Let me check. So it looks like it doesn't have the thumbnail. I'm going to upload it again. Oh yeah, so here it is, the thumbnail. Save. Let me go back to my videos. And here it is, unboxing an Amazon package. Here is the quick thumbnail created. Sometimes I use two thumbnails, I mean two photos, like for this one, what it says loser winner, that's one photo. And these happy entrepreneur winners are another photo. But that's how I make them. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video. Share it, like it, subscribe, and see you next time.